You know what no one's ever said? I love filling out forms. That's why Facebook lead ads are so cool, right? They're a simpler way for people to fill out forms on their mobile device. Facebook lead ads make the mobile sign-up process easier by automatically populating contact information that people have given Facebook, like their name, email, and phone number. In this video, you're going to discover what are Facebook lead ads and how do they work. Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to be alerted when my next video goes live. Simply put, Facebook lead ads allow advertisers to collect information from prospects directly from mobile ads, right? Instead of sending traffic to a website or a landing page where people will manually fill out a form and then press submit, they click on your Facebook ad and their information, right? Their name, their email, and sometimes phone number is pre-populated, and then they hit submit. And this is all within the Facebook platform. Let's take a look at an example. All right, so on the screen here, you should see on my mobile device and on my desktop, the lead generation ad that I created for American Roof Supplements. Now, if I click on learn more here on the phone, you'll see that what pops up is a contact form. Basically, I'm giving away, or this client is giving away their first supplement or estimate done for free. And you can see the first name, email, and phone number is automatically populated inside of Facebook. This all comes from Facebook data. When I click next, here's the privacy details for American Roof Supplements, and I submit my form here, and it's delivered to the owner. And so before you can run Facebook lead ads, you need to create the form itself. So let's go ahead and create a form. I'm gonna go back up here to the page here. We'll use American Roof Supplements as the example. We're gonna go over to Publishing Tools here on the left-hand side. So we're gonna go over to the left-hand side where it says Forms Library, click on that. And we're gonna go to the right-hand side, and where it says create, the blue button that says create, we're gonna create a form. We're gonna create a new form. So hit next. And so we give our form a name. So supplement, free supplement. There are two options here. You can choose from more volume or higher intent. More volume means that you get more people to submit the form, fill out and submit the form. Higher intent, you basically add a review step that gives people a chance to confirm their information. I typically go with more volume. Intro, you can use an uploaded image or use the image from your ad, or just use the image from the ad. Greeting, you can add in a headline, or a description, totally up to you. I'm going to remove the greeting. And then we get to our questions, right? What do you want people to respond to? There are a lot of different things you can ask here. You can create custom questions, right? Multiple choice, short answer, conditional questions, appointment requests. You can ask for information that will be pre-filled by Facebook. So for instance, their email, full name. You can also add in, phone number, street address, city, state, zip code, all that stuff. If it's in Facebook, it'll populate itself. Demographic questions, date of birth, gender, marital status, relationship status, military status, work info, job title, work phone number, work email, company name, national ID. This is all for other countries. But these fields here are all pre-filled questions populated by Facebook data. Right? And then below here, you need to include a privacy policy, right? Because you're collecting information about customers, you need to include your company's privacy policy. So you just would put the link in here and then have a link text. And then you have the option to add a custom disclaimer. I typically don't add a custom disclaimer. And then we go to completion. And then once they submit the form, what happens next, right? Thanks, you're all set. You can visit our website or exit the form now. Different call to action buttons here, and add a link there as well. So I hope this video about Facebook lead ads was very helpful and valuable. If it was, let me know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to be notified of my next video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.